आई एम दिशना। आई वेलकम यू इन डीवी फन वर्ल्ड। आज अपन खेलने वाले गेम्स। आप जब बोर होते हो तो फ़ोन में कौन कौन से गेम्स खेल सकते हो? तो सबसे पहले तो है पेपर फूल्ड गेम। वेरी नाइस गेम and it is very nice to play when you are bored, and I am using this game from a long time ago. Only in this game we have to fold the papers like this. Yes. So and we have to fold this like this. See. Some are hard, some are easy. So I am on 314 level. So yeah, and ये बहुत ही अच्छा गेम है. See friends, game name is Paperful Game. It's quite hard this time, I think so. So I'm thinking you are getting bored. But friends, I love this game a lot. It sharpens our mind. Friend, this is funny one. You see. You will see. Yeah. Yes, it is. Is it funny? Done. So चलो नेक्स्ट गेम की तरफ मूव करते हैं. इट इज़ प्रिंसेस कलरिंग बाय नंबर गेम, एंड आई हैव डन मैनी गेम्स लाइक दिस. सी, so I have done many, and it has also many ones. Interesting game. So I think we should select it. Our choice is matching. Yes. So if you are thinking who is picking, so she's my sister. Elder sister. Yeah. No, she is my younger sister. So we have to only select the number and it will be highlighted like this. See, we can zoom it. See here. And when all will be done, so there will be one tick mark. Now we will. So is there any two? Yeah, think it is here also. No, so where it is, where you are. So done. Let's find number 3. I think it is so small that we can't see it. So here it is. See friends, now their pink yellow one is in the hairs. So when we will zoom it, so or more thing will be clear. See, like if I am finding from here. So quite hard sometime and quite easy and funny game. तो ऐसे आपको ये पूरा करना रहता है. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. इसमें अपन ने जैसे आधा छोड़ दिया. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. मैं ये वाला दिखाती हूँ. देखिए. तो देखो जैसे फ्रेंड्स मेरे आधी हुई है. अगर मैं अभी 6 को क्लिक करूँगी तो इसमें मेरे जो 6 रहेंगे वो हाईलाइट हो जाएंगे. लाइक सी, मैं इसको जूम और करूँगी. फ्रेंड्स इसमें इतना जूम हो जाता है. क्वाइट more zoom, and I am finding some more 6. So if I am not finding here 6, I will choose 13, and I found 13. There was some little 13. 14, 14, 14, 14. Let's see, is there any 14? Done. So only 6 left. I'm not finding 6 anywhere. I got it. In this you can share out your photo, share mark it, or retry it. Quite nice game. Let's move to next game. Next game is My Tom 2. Some famous game, and now it contains with some more things. Yeah friends, let's see if you can see here. Now there it is something. Let's see if I open this. There is some gifts like this for me, like this, coins and this, and a shark suit. Nice, quite interesting, yeah. So we can try it. Like if I try it, so I can select it. And he wants to go on a washroom. Friend, it is quite nice game, interesting, yummy, and it contains many more games inside it. We can make him bath. We can give him up some games like this. One interesting game. I show you more games. Now the game is Braindom, a brain game, quite interesting and very nice. I like this game very much, and there is Brain 2 also. You can download that also. So like I got this. Let's collect. Okay. So I am on level 263. Let's I do it play. Now save the woman. How should I save? See this. जैसे मुझे बन नहीं रहा है फ्रेंड्स, तो मैं यहाँ से हिंट ले सकती हूँ. तो यहाँ है टर्न zombies to human with brains. So like this is nice. और अगर आपको हिंट के बाद भी ना बने तो कुछ नहीं, आप इसमें स्किप भी कर सकते हैं. जैसे ये अपनी है टर्न zombies to human with brains, तो अपने से ये भी नहीं जम रहा है, तो यहाँ से स्किप का ऑप्शन रहता है, आप उसको स्किप कर सकते हैं. फिर आप नेक्स्ट लेवल पे चल जाएंगे. यहाँ मेक एल्डर हैप्पी. So I have to make my elders happy. I'm not finding anything. I'm shaking my phone. Nothing. So you can take hint, but I'm taking. Find them a TV. So for TV, what I will choose is